So as you can see the question on your screen, 3 glasses of size 3, 4 and 5 liter contain milk and water in the ratio 2:3, 3:7 and 4:11 respectively. The content of these 3 glasses were poured in a single vessel. We have to find out the ratio of milk and water in the resultant solution. So let us think in this way. Suppose the 3 vessels are A, B and C. In the first vessel A, the total amount of milk and water mixture is 3 liter, out of which 2 part is milk and 3 part is water. So the total number of parts of milk and water is 5 part. In the second vessel B, the total amount of milk and water mixture is 4 liter, out of which 3 part is milk and 7 part is water. So the total number of parts of milk and water is 10 part. And in the third vessel C, the total amount of milk and water mixture is 5 liter, out of which 4 part is milk and 11 part is water. So the total number of parts of milk and water is 15 part. Now think of a number which is divisible by 5, 10 and 15 simultaneously. It may be 30, it may be 60, it may be 90 or it may be any other number. I am considering 30 for this calculation. Let us assume that 1 liter is equal to 30 units. Now the glass A contain 3 liter, so 3 liter will be equal to 90 units. Glass B contain 4 liter, so 4 liter will be equal to 120 units. And glass C contain 5 liter, so 5 liter will be equal to 150 units. So if we consider glass A, it contains 5 part of liquid or 90 units of liquid. That means 5 part is equivalent to 90 unit, so 1 part will be equal to 18 units. Now since it contains 2 part of milk, so 2 part will be equal to 36 unit. And since it contains 3 part of water, so 3 part will be equal to 54 unit. Similarly, in the second vessel B, it contains 10 part of liquid or 120 units of liquid. So 10 part is equivalent to 120 unit. So 1 part will be equivalent to 12 unit. Since it contains 3 part of milk, so 3 part will be equivalent to 36 unit of milk. And since it contains 7 part of water, so 7 part will be equivalent to 84 unit of water. Finally, in the third vessel C, there are 15 parts of liquid or 150 unit of liquid. So 15 part is equivalent to 150 unit. So 1 part will be equivalent to 10 unit. Since it contains 4 part of milk, so therefore 4 part is equal to 40 unit of milk. And since it contains 11 part of water, so 11 part will be equal to 110 unit of water. So finally, if we add the number of units of milk in the 3 vessel, we get 112 units, and if we add the number of units of water in the 3 vessel, we get 248 units. So the ratio of the milk and water in the final mixture will be 112 divided by 248, or you can simplify this fraction to some smaller one. See, it was very simple.